Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to add sound effects to your TikTok videos. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The very first step is to make sure you have the latest version of TikTok installed on your iPhone or Android device. You want to open your App Store or the Google Play Store and check if TikTok is updated. After that, you want to open TikTok. Then click on the plus button here to create a new video. You can record a video or upload one from your photo gallery. I'm simply going to open one from the photos. The next step is to click on this button here in order to open our TikTok editor. When you open it, it should look something like this, and now we need to tap on the sound button. Then sound effect, and a menu with a bunch of different sound effects is going to show up. It has a lot of sound effects that are categorized into different categories. We have the mechanical sounds, daily life human voices, and much more. Click on these sounds to hear how they sound, and when you find one which you would like to use, simply tap on this use button here. Then put the effect wherever you want in the video. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.